Breaking: Nigerian army begs Igbo youths to join the army. Trending in the news recently is the fact that Nigerian army decries poor Igbo youth enlistment in military service. I'm a detribalized human being, but I'm making this video in the spirit of equity and fairness. Fairness in the sense that what made you feel as a Nigerian government that after you have tagged the Igbo people or terrorist organization, you tag the IPOB or terrorist organization, then you don't want to employ their youth in the military and you think they will just jump at it? That's ridiculous. Now, my good question is this. I really come in peace. Number one, why can't the Igbo youth be recruited into NNPC? Why can't the Igbo youth be recruited into Central Bank? What about NDLEA? What about Immigration Service? What about EFCC? Why does it have to be the military? So that you can parade them and send them to Sambisa Forest and destroy them, so that when you come to attack the Igbos, there will be no youth to say who is doing that or who is over there. Quite strategic. But I think you have failed at it. According to the Army's report, they are saying that Kaduna State has recorded over 3,000 recruitments. The Enugu State has 200 slots, but has not been able to fill even 100. The Abia State has only 53 recruitments. I'm grossly disappointed. Give on your polo we go Igbo. Mujo milia lafo. You ain't been here. When you see each other, can there be wenge? Ibulo nyami. Lobalonde Nigeria. One ne. Iburo Igbo. Iburo mwafi Igbo. Because someone named one feeble muju milia lafo. You can use brain. So na no 153 ko gini one they go laugh and hana join army. Ebelu na emegbuom. Iye geju nu mebu gini ajansuru oku. Mankana pa ajansuru oku. Iye aka geju nu weme. Jugodo wega ajuju. Mmadu one ndi Igbo biye bugolu brigadier na army. Mmadu one ndi Igbo biye bu general na army. As we speak, kedo onye bu onye isi na army kita. Onye Igbo ko onye ugwu ko onye Yoruba. Wande welu ni legi go eze go onu na. Common sense ade egote kweni egote. Common sense bu sinachi. So inwere imani inwere ade egote. Ine chere onwe ga anya as nwa afọ Igbo we feel na ihe ọma ga-eme na ndụ gị bụ ka i join Nigerian military. Ifilo ni na-emere onwe gị ihe ọma. Nwanne ụwa bụ ofu mbịa. Ndụ bụ ndụ gị otu ọbụla osisọ gị ị na-eme ya. I learned that na Imo State, that's na Amazima, is it Imo State or Abia State? You will not see a youth either na onya hapu go back also go and live in the city or they go nyangu. Just like that. Then it's in the Igbo Habia join army. The gullible Ndibo Ebulo we hasina han join the army. It's quite appalling. Manudodi. I believe you've already watched this video, so what do you think? Please share your thoughts in the comment. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite, repost this video, and share it with all your contacts. This is where I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top. You know why? Because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.